want to show you two websites here. You can actually click on social media path and you get paid with your local account in Naira, in Nigeria right here. So I'm gonna say two on a different platform to actually use earn money for yourself by performing social media path. So before I move into this, or before I dive into this, let's introduce myself. My name is Emmanuel Concept, and what I do on Planet I make video about making money online. What I do is I take look how they I want the work for me. I'll come right here on this platform and share it with you guys. And the whole idea is that you guys can get the version and of course get the version as well. So in exchange, you guys click on the bell icon so that you can notify whenever I post a new update about making money online on my channel. You should can notify you. And also like this video, don't forget to comment on the comment section where you're watching from. And if you have any crazy question, don't forget to ask in the comment section. I'm gonna go through all the comments to make sure that I reply all the comments. So guys, let me just dive into this particular platform. So number one platform is this platform called Hockey.ng. Okay, Hockey.ng is a paid platform where you pay and you get you pay you register with 1,000 naira and you start earning on the particular platform. While the other platform that has the second platform affiliate fee, you're not going to pay any time. Okay, you just click on the link and you register. So the link on this particular platform is gonna be on the video description and also a pin comment. If you face you can find it on the video description. So once you click on it, it will direct you to this particular platform, Pocket, and the second one which I'm going to review, at the end of this video. So if you don't want to use this particular platform that is free, don't I know a lot of you guys will be waiting and also that be wondering what platform to start in the 16 because so many of you guys actually want to free one, okay? So that let me just go with this one. For this particular platform, after a very tried, like I made a video about how to actually, step by step tutorial on how you can leverage on this particular platform and how you can activate your account, how you can contact, how you can do a lot of things on this platform, even earn massively apart from the tax, okay? And the video on the tutorial is gonna be also on the comment section below and also on the video actually watch this video and leverage the skill that get the reference that can get. So once you come there, after you successful activate your account, perform task and earn, okay? Once you click on it, so it's gonna load up this particular interface for you. You see this advert, you see perform engagement task. So I'm gonna click on perform engagement task. As you can see, I have 988 available tasks remaining. And what we do is go to, on this particular section, you need to follow people and pages. You earn 3 naira per follow. And platform that is recommended is Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Okay. Why this second one? You need to like and follow Facebook business pages, which is only Facebook alone. Why this third one is you need to follow, okay, you need to like post on social media and platform are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and the TikTok. Okay. So as you can see on this first one, I have up to 729 available tabs. Right, because I have only 5 days. So combining this whole task, I which give us 988 available tasks for me to do. And you guys can you wonder that why am I not able to do this stuff? I have a lot of things running online and I have a lot of channels that I'm also managing online. So I don't have the chance to, to perform all the stuff, but I don't do them maybe whenever I'm less busy. I just like let me just run this platform, and do one or two things, to be, keeping my account active. Okay. So once I have to just want to perform it, let me just want to perform this Facebook stuff right here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, you're gonna look up something for you. So that you just need to wait. Okay, please don't forget that the link and this particular platform is gonna be on the video description and also the pin comments. Okay. So once you get to this started, you click on generate your next app, click on it, click on this yes, right, click on yes. So once you click on yes, so you need to to click on view now. Mind you, that is gonna expire in the next 1 hour, which is 59 minutes, some seconds, okay? So make sure that you do it immediately. So click on view now, click on it. So to direct you to the place where you can read the information, read the instruction, and also read on how you can perform and also submit to the task, okay? As you can see here, tap the link. This is the Facebook link that you need to like or follow, okay? So, and you can just, take your time and you read all those stuff and a lot of things. So let me just click on this. You can actually click on visit link, right? This visit link button right here to perform the task, or you can simply copy this link right here. I don't know why my phone is not working. Once I click on this, it will not work. I don't know why it's also confused, not working. So what I do, copy it, I just click on website, according to my own. I don't know, it might work for your own. Just click on this. So as you can see, this is the account that they asked me to follow. So what I have to do is click on this three button right here, click on it, then I'll click on this follow button right here. Once I click on the follow button, showing following. So what I have to do is just take a screenshot of this particular account that I followed. Okay. So once I'm done taking the screenshot, I'll now head back to the platform right here and click on this upload proof of work. Click on it here and then upload it. And I'll now add my, Facebook username. Don't forget to add your Facebook username. After adding the Facebook username, you come down to the view button and click on upload proof. Okay? And then upload my proof. You have to wait for some seconds for them to, check out it and also approve the form. And see, the page has been loaded and right here it says stack is being verified. So what I have to do is just to go back and from another task because this task has been approved. So the money is now pending. Whenever they verify it and I will not get credited into my account, okay? So I guess this is it. So I want to show you that how I can actually withdraw and how you can actually withdraw from this platform and what is the minimum withdrawal. So the minimum withdrawal on this particular platform is just 100 naira. Once you can be able to perform task up to 100 naira, you'll be able to withdraw. So I can just 100 naira that I have on this my dashboard. I can actually withdraw it right now. Okay, but I don't want to withdraw it now. I want the money to be used. Okay. So what I have to do after what if you want to withdraw, just come to this withdraw button. Click on withdraw. You should have add your bank details. Okay. So let me just click on withdraw so it's loaded for me. And I will also show you how you can actually set up a bank details share to be able to withdraw if you want to use it. As you can see, this is my bank details. But once you click your own, maybe probably your own might not show up. Just click on this button right here and add the bank details. Okay. Or you can simply go to the more page. You go to the more page, you can see here that it says update bank details. You click on it, you add your bank details. Okay. So once you click on it, then once you have done adding the bank details, you click on the withdraw and you'll be able to withdraw the money. Like I said, the minimum withdrawal is 100 naira. Okay. So I can just enter the amount. Let me just say I want to withdraw the 500 naira that I have. So they'll be, giving me, I'll be receiving 400 and something naira because the charge will be 11 naira. So it's gotten from my account. And I have to put my, account password, the password that I use while creating this account and click on withdraw. So before 24 hours, okay, the money will swap into my account. Okay. So this is it for this particular platform. So let me just show you guys the second platform. So guys, before I show you guys the second platform, please, if you are getting any value from this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and of course turn on the bell notification icon. So whenever I post your amazing content about making money online on my channel, it will kind of inspire you instantly. And also comment on the comment section below where you're watching from. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me because I'm gonna go through all the comment in the comment section and make sure that I reply all the comment. Okay. So guys, let me just head back to the second platform. So guys, this is the second platform right here. And on this second platform, I have up to 20 naira on this platform. I have a pending balance of 40 perform tasks as well, social media tasks and spend. And the link to this particular platform that I'm going to do the description, also the pin comment, so you guys can click on it and start playing on this particular platform. And the name of this platform is called farmuptasks.com. Okay. So once you click on the link, it's gonna redirect you to your website and start to and everything is absolutely free. You're not gonna pay anything. You're not gonna pay to dine. Everything is free. Okay. So once you select there, probably your welcome everything will be 00 ng. Okay. So what I have to do is the front start right here. Click on it. You can see it's through all a lot of apps that is available for you. So if this is new, joining a WhatsApp. So joining WhatsApp without any 4 naira, Facebook profile 4 naira, Facebook follow 4 naira, essentially. So and this platform pays 4 naira, while the other one pays 3 naira per per app. Okay. But I wanted to tell you that the difference between the paid one and this. Yeah, so this is part that I have. I need to come down here. You can see this part is just a one page out of 28 page. That means if you calculate this task right here times 28, this is almost more than 10. Or let me just say 10. If you calculate 10 times 28, that is giving like a kind of almost 200 and something tasks available for me. Okay. There said, I have a lot of money from this starting. Why I'm not, why am I saying on that to pay from this start? Because if I did a calculation about this stuff, okay, let me do the calculation like um 4 naira times 200 and 200. Okay, let me say 4 naira times 200. The reason I'm getting 800 naira. Okay, so well, okay, four. No, no, not 400. Like, look, let's say one page gives me like 10. Okay, let me say 10 times 28. That's 4 naira times 280. That's absolutely 1,160 naira, which is money. So let's calculate the former one, which is 3 naira times 9, which is 2,900 almost 3,000 naira, which I'm having on my platform that I'm not be able to claim. So that's by the way, guys. Let us move on. So if you want to perform tasks on this particular platform, I'm gonna show you guys. So what I have to do is just to come just click on any one that after you successfully ready chat. Let us say to this case. So I see this task access to like the video okay. So what I have to do, this is the link to the platform. Just click on it to the proof. So as you can see, this is the post that they ask us to like. Okay, so I have to do to like it, check a screenshot about it, and so try to take a screenshot of it, and this is your social media user, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can actually have it. Okay, so click on mark complete. Okay, you click on mark complete. Whenever they approve the fact. So if you want to add your social media account, you can go to step out. So what you have to do is just to come up on this area right here. Just come up here and click on it. You can see once you click on it, these are the requirements. Just link your account with us. You can select platform and username. If you want to add your Facebook account, guys, select your Facebook right here. You click your username and you click on save. You do all this on those platforms that is being listed here. And once you do it, then you are good to go. Security password, a lot of things. Okay? So the minimum withdrawal on this particular platform is actually 500 naira. So once you'll be able to perform that and get up to 500 naira, you able to withdraw on this particular platform. So this is what I told you guys. I promised you guys that I will tell you the difference between the paid one and this free one. You can see the paid one, the minimum withdrawal on that paid one was 100 naira, while the minimum withdrawal on this free one is 500 naira. So let me show you guys I've actually withdrawn this platform. Not that I'm just tapping or a lot of stuff. You can see I've withdrawn 3 times on this particular platform. The first one was 500 naira, the second one was 700 naira, the third one was 500 naira. This particular one is around 1,700 naira per fee. Okay, and everything was approved. So let me show you the format and platform of actually the phone. So let me just click on more. And after history, okay, it's loading. As you can see, I've withdrawn 200. My first withdrawal was 211 naira. My second withdrawal was 211 naira. Third withdrawal was 106 naira. Fourth withdrawal was 130 naira. And the fifth withdrawal was 147 naira. So you can see I've withdrawn multiple times on this other platform. So guys, what is keeping you guys waiting for you know to leverage on this of them platform and start earning for friends? You can actually earn one of them because when you start referring your friends, like on this particular platform, if you refer your friends, you're getting a commission of 500 naira per referral when your friends activate their account. Why on the former this once you refer your friend, you'll be earning 3%. I guess okay, we earn 6% of whatsoever your friends your referrals are. So this is the difference between the paid and the free one. Okay, the paid one is give instant 500 naira once you refer someone that have activated the account. Instant 500. Why this one with the same with state and 15K? Okay, so guys, that is it on how it can actually and just click on this copy link right here. Copy the link and set your friends. Why the other one? Here. Click on mobile pay. Click on this YouTube guys, and you see the link right down here. Yes, allow you to know. You know, I've made a tutorial video explaining how this particular thing and how this particular paid platform has been able to, is working. Okay, I also dropped the link as well. So you just click on this appear. I have special referral of flow, and you just click on it and you start, sending it. Okay. So guys, if you get any value from this particular content, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification icon, so whenever I post new updates, this is when I'm finding yourself. And of course, like this video, share it to your friends, your relatives, people that are interested about making money online. Also, comment and the comment section below where you're watching from. And also, if you have any questions, then you just add it. I'm gonna go to all the whole comment and share out of the question. So guys, don't forget, keep doing it and let's get a love you. Bye.